According to a recent study, a steady flow of young residents are leaving Friuli Venezia Giulia for brighter economic prospects, deepening a demographic crisis. What are your plans after you graduate?
I think pursuing a master in engineering, in mechanical engineering. I'd like to go to Modena, but I don't know if I get in with the grades, so we'll see how it goes.
So what are your plans after graduation?
I would like to go outside of Friuli. I would like to take a degree in psychology, but maybe in the north of Europe. Yeah, I would like to have a family outside, I think, yeah.
It depends what opportunities I get. It's fine if I stay here, but I would like to travel around.
I would really like to go abroad. I've always loved the other cultures, but at some point I think I'm going to come back here because all my family is here and my friends, so yeah.
Sono più proiettata appunto sull'internazionale.
Certo. I would like to do the master maybe abroad in Spain or somewhere else in Italy. 19 years, so I would like to visit somewhere else as well.
Here. I'm planning or here or in Serbia, back home.